Okay, this is
Oh,
like a door tag and window tag, and we also can go for user defined tag.
mm,
So user defined tags, like we need to have notepad first. So go for notepad, and I can put a W1 and then maybe 9 inches wall like that. W2,
mm,
4.5 inches
mm.
wall like that, and then close it and save it. I think I will save in your folder. Resita Keynote. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, the Keynote. Just save it. Okay, now what we can do is like I can go to annotate, then we can go for the keynote. Here we have element material and all user keynote we need to select, but before that we need to go for settings. Go for settings, and where you need to, this is what the default thing, library location, right? Now we
Mm.
can go for relative. This is like we can just take from the library. Okay. Now, but I'm going to anyway. This I can just okay. Relative and view. Just browse it first. This is like what the predefined ones. Okay. Now, like we are going back.
Mm.
My computer documents. With files. Insert Keynote. Just open. So Keynote reload successfully, and we can reload again, and then click OK. Now, like you can go for user Keynote, and see, you can just put here. For example,
Mm.
this one is like you can take as 9 inches wall. Okay. Then, but if you have otherwise this thing, if it is having a wall, small wall, but
Mm.
like now I am going for a Keynote user Keynote, but here I am just selecting.
Mm.
No, you can just put
Only two, or we can make any
we can
number of lines.
we can make any. See, the thing is like it was like a separate wall like we did, right? So just a minute. So keynote. Okay, this is like a W2. You can see W2 that it is coming. Now what we can do is like when you go for a again like keynote, it will automatically get the see. Okay,
Mm.
actually it is not classifying it. So every time like we are just doing it. But normally like it will also take because this is also the same, right? Yeah, so that you can just put the user defined keynotes. Okay, so the keynote it was coming like this. Okay, so what we can do means like we can just go to Excel sheet.
Mm.
Okay, so like now I can just put W1, W2. So this is like 9 inches wall,
Mm.
4.5 inches wall, like this I'm doing. Now I'm going for control save as. Now we can better save in a CSV format. So CSV comma delimited.
Yesterday, you put on this one, right? Notes.
Yeah, that one like a notepad, not normal notepad. Like now I'm just using CSV file, okay, and just saving it. Okay, just wall keynote CSV. Maybe we can comma delimit MS DOS, Macintosh, text MS DOS, CSV MS DOS. This is correct. Tab delimited. Maybe tab delimited. Okay. Hmm. But it is not saving because maybe I have old version.
Mhm.
See, I see now it's saved. You need to put it's like coming. Okay. Okay. Now like I can just go to the annotate and then keynote, keynote settings, browse the wall keynote. It is like we can't able to put it. Now like we can go for user keynote. So now like you can select this as a W1. See now it is coming only because yesterday like it is coming the description also. Now it's supposed to come like this. So that's why I was using Excel sheet. Maybe it will be knowing what actually we're supposed to put. So and if you want to go for the next one, that's why I'm using a tab delimited or CSV thing. Okay, so when you just go here,
Mm.
it will come with only W2. So this is what I was expecting because the you can just change this to only like small, large. Okay, that is like we also have keynote number only it will coming. All this keynote text if you want. See, it is just showing only the text. So this you need to classify. Now that's why I'm using Excel sheet today. Okay.
இந்த டிஃபால்ட் tab W1 W2 வருமா? அதை நம்ம கிளிக் பண்ணது மட்டும் தான் ஃபீட் பண்ணது மட்டும் தான் வருமா?
No. Now like we will just yeah, whatever you are putting there, it will come. So you need to put accordingly. See, it is actually it will normally it used to like take the same walls, but now every time it is asking. No problem. Like this, like you can able to do it. Okay. Now you got like user defined keynotes. So like this, like you can create everything in the Excel sheet and you can just save as a tab delimited a CSV file. Then you can load here and then you can use the keynote user keynote. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and another thing like here we can create the legends. Right click new keynote legend and you just put the name of the keynote legend and the key value keynote text and click OK. So this is what like you are having. So what are all the keynotes you are having? It will come because we also have these two keynotes. Yesterday we put that's why. So yeah, all whatever in the drawing, it will come here as a legend. So this is what the added advantage for a user-defined keynote. Then you can understand now. You can put your own W for a window, and you can put the sizes. You can put your own doors, and you can put the sizes. You can put your own wall, and you can put the thickness and all. Okay. Okay, now you also know the keynote legend. Wall legend like this. You can rename it. Okay.
இது வந்து நமக்கு the application only in the event of scheduled requirement, right?
No, I'm not getting.
எங்கெல்லாம் நமக்கு ஷெட்யூல் வேணுமோ அங்கே மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணா போதும் இல்லையா அது?
That schedule is different, but this is legend. If you want to show that in your thing, see, otherwise, like we can practically do some one exercise. Okay.
W1 size, maybe we can put W is 100 by 150, something
Like
like
that
that.
kind of things. Okay. Now I'm just deleting everything. Okay. Now you can see the wall legend. It will update automatically. See? This is how it will works. So that's why like we have Revit. So no need to modify manually. So whatever you are updating, it will automatically update here also.
Mm-hmm.
And this one,
And
if you want to edit, then you need to edit the notepad.
okay.